DJI Care Refresh provides DJI products with coverage for a range of accidental damages and natural wear. For the following scenarios of natural wear: water damage, collisions, and flyaway. With an additional charge for replacement, you can have your damaged product replaced. You can also choose DJI Care Express to receive a replacement product faster. DJI will cover shipping costs both ways and provide exclusive technical service to respond to your answers promptly. In addition, select handheld products enjoy global service and support. If you haven't used any replacement services during the service period, DJI will provide you with a 1-year warranty extension as a reward. You can choose a 1-year or 2-year plan according to your needs. DJI Care Refresh can be purchased if the product meets one of the following criteria. 1. Brand new and unactivated product. 2. Aircraft or gimbal activated within the last 48 hours. 3. Handheld device activated within the last 30 days. If your product no longer meets any of the criteria, you can apply for video verification or contact DJI support to send back the product for testing. After approval, you can purchase DJI Care Refresh within 72 hours of receiving the purchase notification. If you have already purchased DJI Care Refresh within the service period, you can purchase DJI Care Refresh Plus to get 1 year of warranty extension. DJI Care Refresh. Comprehensive protection for peace of mind.